online class. Just now I was having one class downstairs in 10th A, and the period gets over right at 12 o'clock in that class. So when that period gets over, I leave the class, I start coming from there, I climb up here, and then I sign in on the computer and join. It takes 5-6 minutes.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, beta.
sir, in timetable, your class is at 1 p.m.
No, beta.
Yes,
There is a
sir.
little change in that.
Yes, sir.
There is a
Okay,
little
sir.
change. Okay. So what class is at this time?
Sir,
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
So have you received an invitation of Sanskrit class also?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Sir, 1 o'clock.
Sir,
But
at
sir,
1
at 1
o'clock.
p.m.
Sir, but at 1 o'clock.
है ना? Sanskrit class is at 1 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what I'm telling you. The timetable is changed. The timetable that you received earlier, this is a slight change in that. English class will be at 12 o'clock, and whatever was at 12, it will be at 1 o'clock. Okay? So I hope there is no confusion now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is, when I come from the other class, when I finish that class and come here and sign in and join the class, it takes 5-6 minutes. Okay, so there may be a delay of 5-6 minutes when we start this class. Just bear with it. Now tell me, who presented this lesson when we were doing the presentations?
Sir, Niyati.
Sir, Prakhar.
Prakhar Modi.
No, sir, I presented this lesson. That
Niyati.
project.
Why did Prakhar say Niyati presented this lesson? Okay, fine. So Niyati, unmute yourself and turn your camera on. Then I and Niyati will talk. And I want other students of the class also to participate in that discussion, because we are going to discuss this lesson here. Okay? Whoever wants to speak, just ask for the permission and speak. You all are free to talk. आज राज वाल्मीकि शुरू से ही आ गया क्या?
Yes, sir. Sir, आज plan change हो गया.
5 मिनट का, first 5 minutes. राज, unmute.
यस सर.
आज का क्या प्लान है? बोल भाई.
सर कोई प्लान नहीं है.
नहीं, कल का प्लान तो हमने सुन लिया था तेरा. कल का तो पूरी क्लास ने सुन लिया था. आज क्या फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स के लिए आया है या फुल पीरियड के लिए आया है?
सर फुल पीरियड.
फुल पीरियड के लिए देख लेना बेटा, है ना. बीच में क्विट हो जाएगा तो फिर मैं यहाँ से वो एब्सेंट मार्क कर दूंगा. प्रेजेंट वाला वो नेम डिलीट कर दूंगा. ठीक है?
यस सर.
I'll click on the attendance 2 times. One at the beginning, which I have already clicked, and I'll click on attendance once again at some other time, not when. I will not tell you at what time I will click once again. So if those who are present in the first attendance are not present in the second attendance, I will cross check it, and if you are really found missing for no reason, your name will be removed from attendance. So remain in the class. Yes, for genuine reason, for internet problem or for connectivity reason. If you by chance leave the class, there is no harm. But don't make it a habit, as I heard yesterday. It was shocking. और फिर ऐसी कुछ बातें करो तो माइक म्यूट करके किया करो यार. हम लोग सुन लेते हैं, फिर हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो बाकी बच्चों को भी आइडिया मिल जाता है ना. राजवाल भी, तूने पूरी क्लास को कल आइडिया दे दिया. पूरी क्लास को आइडिया दे दिया ना तूने कल. चलो नियति.
Yes, sir.
Whose story is this?
Sir, it is a story about an architect his name is Hafiz.
Hafiz, full name?
Sir, only Hafiz.
Hafiz contractor. Hafiz contractor.
Hafiz contractor. Hafiz
Hmm?
contractor.
Yes.
Please contact.
Okay. Many of you know. Very good. I'm happy. His name is Hafiz Contractor. It's a story of Hafiz Contractor, and in fact, the lesson is an interview. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's an interview.
Yes, sir.
So, who is interviewing Hafiz Contractor?
Mrs.
So
Bela.
Miss Bela
Mrs.
Raj.
Bela Raja.
So Miss Bela Raja.
Okay, Bela Raja. है ना? So he is being interviewed by Bela Raja. And why is he interviewed? क्यों आखिर उसका इंटरव्यू लिया जा रहा है? Is he a sports personality or is he a political leader or a film star or a successful businessman? Why is he being
Sir, he
interviewed?
is a
Sir,
leading
he is
architect of
the
India.
leading architect of India.
Architect of India.
Yes. He is a leading architect of our country, and that's why he is being interviewed by Bela Raja. यहाँ तक सबको पता है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now, what does Hafiz Contractor tell about himself? Did he start telling about himself from his childhood, from his school days?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what kind of a student was he when he was at school?
He was an unhappy schoolboy.
Sir, he was unhappy schoolboy.
Very nice. He was unhappy schoolboy. Why was he unhappy schoolboy?
So because
Because he lost his interest
So
in his
because he was-
studies.
He lost interest in studies. Shahid, what are you saying?
yes, sir, he was particularly afraid from mathematics, sir.
Yes, I was coming to this thing. The subject that he was most afraid of was
Maths.
Maths.
mathematics. And why did he find mathematics difficult?
Because he had nightmares about
Because
it.
That subject and doing the problems of mathematics was nightmarish for him. एक डरावने भयानक सपने के जैसा लगते थे उसको वो क्वेश्चन, जिससे वो डर जाता था. क्यों डर जाता था? He found difficult to solve them because he had no interest. अच्छा, if he was not good at studies, was he good at something else?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
He
sir.
was good in
He was
sports.
good in drawing and sports.
Drawing and sports.
Drawing and sports. Which sport in particular?
Sir, cricket.
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 Was he good at drawing also?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, when was this quality discovered, in his school days or afterwards?
In
Sir,
his school days.
afterwards.
So afterward.
I repeat,
Sir, afterwards.
afterwards, not in school days.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when he completed his school, did he get support from any teacher of the school in anything?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Who supported him?
Principal, sir.
Principal.
The principal supported. How did principal support him? कैसे support किया था? क्या किया था principal ने?
Sir, by encouraging him.
So,
Encouraging him
yes, sir.
by encouraging him to
In studies and
To
sports.
study seriously.
So did he start studying seriously because of his principal's encouragement?
Yes, sir. But
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The principal changed his life.
Changed his
Life, sir.
attitude towards life. Now, after completing his school, he got admission into which course?
in French faculty.
Sir, in
In Niyati?
In French faculty. He wanted to join but he wanted to join soldier, police force. But then he joined Jain College in Bombay, France, in French faculty.
In French, I couldn't get it. What are you saying? In
Jain
French?
College in Bombay in French faculty.
French faculty.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Then how did he become architect then?
One day when
Sir.
Let Niyati finish, then I'll come to Prakhar.
for his French lesson, he used to go. He used to go to her cousins, and one day his cousin drawing a window detail, and then he tell that the window he had drawn would not open, and the cousin was surprised too, and then cousin supposed cousins suggested that he join architect. He wants to join architect. Then he joined architect college.
Okay. Prakhar,
Yes, sir. Same.
agreed? Has everyone
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how he becomes an architect. And because he was good at drawing, because it was something of his own interest, he started working hard and he became successful, and his success leads him to become one of the leading architects in the country. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज द स्टोरी. इसके बाद और कुछ है या यहाँ पे खत्म हो गई? इंटरव्यू खत्म हो गया.
Then he recalls her teacher, Mrs. Gupta, that once had remarked that his sketches were very good.
ठीक है. Anything else that we have missed?
Secret of success.
According to him.
Yes, sir.
चलो, what is that?
That he was look at the client face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, and on the spot he draw the sketch.
ठीक है. It is clearly given in the interview, in the lesson,
Yes, sir.
so everybody can go through it, mark it. Now my question is, what is the treasure here? The lesson is the treasure within, and this is an interview of a popular architect who was struggling for studies when he was at school, and he did not at all think about becoming an architect, and it was by chance his drawing, his skills were seen by one of his cousins, and he was advised to join the course of architecture. He did that, and then he took the work seriously, and he became successful. This is the story. Okay. What does the title mean here? The treasure within. Treasure means
खजाना.
Khazan.
okay. Collection of riches. है ना? खजाना. Treasure within. Within means
अंदर.
अंदर ही है जो. बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो द ट्रेजर विद इन, वो ट्रेजर जो आपके अंदर ही है. कौन सा ट्रेजर?
Passion.
हाँ, your skill and what you are passionate about.
Ability.
सर क्वालिटी
Yes, skill.
quality.
हाँ, yes, ठीक है, ठीक है. So did he have a treasure within him which he was not aware of? in the beginning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The treasure that is going to change your life, make your life successful, is nowhere outside. It is there within you. You already possess that treasure, and the treasure is of your skills, your capabilities. The only thing is to recognize it. Recognize, realize, and then act according to that. This treasure he had, and you all have, everybody has. But if you do not recognize your real treasure and you keep on trying to do something which is really not your cup of tea, what will be the result? What will happen? What will happen? जो आपकी स्किल्स हैं वो आप नहीं करते हो, जो आपका पैशन है वो आप नहीं करते हो, आप वो नहीं करते हो जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे हो, और आप और कुछ करते चले जा रहे हो। इसलिए करते जा रहे हो क्योंकि आपके फ्रेंड्स कर रहे हैं, इसलिए करते जा रहे हो क्योंकि सब लोग करते हैं, इसलिए करते जा रहे हो क्योंकि आपको ऐसा बताया गया है कि दिस इज व्हाट यू मस्ट डू। So will you really be that successful?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Never.
No, sir.
You have a skill of becoming a very good musician, and you are trying and forcing yourself into becoming a good football player. ठीक है? You're passionate about music, trying to go for football. You're passionate about football, trying to go for engineering. You're passionate for machines. You can definitely be a very, very good mechanical engineer. And you are making all your efforts to become a doctor. Will it help you?
No, sir.
So, what is your passion and what are your innate skills? You need to recognize them. That is what this lesson tells us. Is the lesson clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें से कहीं कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट में या कहीं कोई पोर्शन में या पैराग्राफ में इफ यू फाइंड एनीथिंग डाउटफुल प्लीज गो अहेड, प्लीज आस्क. If you have any question, or otherwise we'll move on to the next lesson. As I said, we are going to discuss these lessons once again. Yes, Prakhar, you unmuted.
No, sir. So I'm telling that we can go ahead with the continuing the 5th chapter.
Okay. This is Prakhar's view. What about others? Do you wish to ask something? Even if you don't ask today, and if you find something difficult, something hard to understand, you can ask tomorrow also, means in the next class also. This doesn't mean you cannot ask it again. But today I am giving you time because we have just discussed this lesson. So you can ask. If not, shall we move on to the next lesson? We still have 11 minutes remaining.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next lesson?
The Princess September.
September.
It is
Happy
September.
Princess September.
September. Wow. Which month of the year is September?
Ninth.
Sir, 9.
Sir, 9.
9th.
Ninth.
Okay. What comes in the month of September? Means any popular event, something that we celebrate or do in the month of September.
Yes, sir. Yes. Teacher's Day.
Yes, sir. Teachers' Day.
Okay. And what else?
Sir, engineering day in on 5th.
Ganesh Chaturthi also.
Ganesh Chaturthi also.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. You can find out all important things that come in the month of September. All celebrations that we do. So this is 9th month of the year. How many days do we have in a week?
So 7.
7.
Okay. Similarly, a day of 24 hours is divided into two parts, day and night.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? This king here, Princess September's father, first he had two daughters and he gave these names to them, day and night.
Yes, sir.
Then he had more than two daughters. When he had third daughter and then fourth, so what names can be given? He wanted to give names in a specific order, and day and night there was nothing after that. So he changed their names. What names did he give?
January,
A
February.
week and month.
No, first he started naming them after weekdays.
Yes, sir.
He started calling his children, his daughters, as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. So till he had 7, he gave these 7 names.
Yes, sir.
But the problem arises when he had 8th daughter. Now what?
Sir,
So he
So he
once again
made that
changed the
it's
name. He once again changed the names and he started calling them in the name of months. कि चलो अभी
Yes.
12 होने तक तो है अपने पास.
yes, sir.
तो जो फर्स्ट डॉटर थी जिसका फर्स्ट नेम डे था उसका एक बार चेंज होके मंडे हो गया, फिर तीसरे बार चेंज होके जनवरी हो गया.
January. Sir, January.
तो जो फर्स्ट 7 डॉटर्स थी उन सबका एक एक बार, कुछ का 2 बार, कुछ का 1 बार चेंज हो चुका था. Now, Princess September was the 9th daughter and that's why she was called September.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया सबको? तो
Yes,
उसकी
sir.
कितनी बड़ी बहनें थी?
So 8.
Sir, 8.
8.
Sir, 8.
Sir, 8.
ठीक है. Now, this king had a very good habit. What was that? क्या थी उसकी अच्छी हैबिट? He used to give gifts on his birthday. Who presented this lesson?
Sir,
Sir, Samriddhi.
Samriddhi, Ninansha and
बताओ
Rishi.
बेटा आपको.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did he have a habit of giving gifts on his birthday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on one of his birthdays, what did he give to his daughters?
A green parrot.
Yes,
green
sir.
parrot
The
in
green
the
parrot.
golden cage.
Parrot in the golden cage.
Yes. Green parrots in golden cages. He gave to all his daughters.
Yes,
And the
sir.
daughters were very happy. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और जिसके भी पास पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो लोग क्या करते हैं जनरली?
बोलना सिखाते
सब
हैं.
बोलना सिखाते हैं. बोलना सिखाते हैं.
कुछ पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स या कुछ पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंसेस. Because parrot has a tendency of repeating,
Yes, sir.
mimicking,
Sir,
copying. Yes, beta.
sir, the princess gave the parrots an hour each day and taught them to say, "God save the king."
And
pretty
Pretty Polly.
Polly. है ना? वही बात कर रहे थे, है ना? तो सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ सिखाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, these princesses, they taught their parrots this thing. क्या सिखाया? Pretty Polly. और दूसरा
God
क्या
save,
सिखाया? God
God
save
save the king.
the king. बस इतना वो बोलते थे उनके पेरेंट्स, और इतना सुन के वो लोग खुश होते थे. और जब वो लेके जाते थे किंग के पास में, किंग के सामने वो पेरेंट्स ऐसा बोलते थे, किंग वाज आल्सो हैप्पी. यहाँ तक सबको
Yes,
पता
sir.
है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ समृद्धि, अब मुझे बताओ, and others can also answer. If others have read the story, they can also answer. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
has happened? What was the difference between these 8 girls and the 9th daughter, Princess September? Here, what has happened?
Sir,
Hmm.
so the 8 princesses captured the parrot in the cage, but sir, the 9th one gave freedom to the parrot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did she give freedom? Why did she keep it out of the cage?
So, because she knew.
So
Sir,
because she realizes that every species have a life to freedom, right to.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Then what happened?
So then Princess September's parrot died.
Is it given in the story? How did it die?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How? बताओ जल्दी, 3 minutes बचे केवल. And I have one more class after this. नहीं पता? You only know that the parrot died.
So in the cage.
Sir, Princess September gave freedom to the bird, not to parrot.
Yes, sir. So it is
Yes,
written
sir.
in the text
The parrot
that
died
he
in the
found the
cage.
parrot lying dead
Yes,
at the
sir.
bottom of his golden cage.
Exactly. बिल्कुल सही. फिर उसके बाद how did Princess September feel?
so she
she's
burst
very
into tears.
Very sad.
She was very sad and upset.
yes, sir.
Then what happened?
Then sir, a bird came.
And then next day the bird came and bird said to Princess September, "Good morning."
In Princess September's window,
Yes, sir. The bird sang so beautifully.
and it started singing, and it
Yes, sir.
sang so beautifully that Princess September liked it very much.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then the
Why
bird
did it come, why did it come to Princess September's window only and not to others' windows?
Sir, because she was crying.
Okay. And did she keep her window open?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what about other
Yes,
girls?
sir.
They kept the window closed.
Now, when this bird came and it sang beautifully, Princess September was happy with that song.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What did Princess do then?
She showed
And
showed
then-
her to the all girls, all sisters.
And sir, she asked to let him her pet bird.
Did she give something to this bird to eat?
Yes, sir, sir, rise.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, did this bird started visiting Princess September every day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And then it was almost domesticated by her. It was almost her pet bird, but she
Yes,
did not
sir.
keep this bird in cage at all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
She played with her. She listened to the bird's song, and she fed the bird. She gave food to the bird, that rice to the bird every day. And how did other sisters react when they came to know about the bird? उनका क्या रिएक्शन था जब उनको पता चला था बर्ड के बारे में?
Sir, they become very jealous.
अच्छा, फिर उन्होंने क्या किया?
Sir, they make a plan.
Did they start teaching Princess September something wrong out of jealousy, which was not good for her and for the bird?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What did they teach? What did they tell her?
Sir, they said that the bird
She
will
put the
flew away
bird into a
one day.
cage.
Cage. अच्छा, ये बताओ कि क्या प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर ने उनकी बात सुन के केज में रख दिया था उसे?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनो. Did she keep the bird in cage after listening to her sisters, or was there some other reason?
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
there
sir.
was some another reason.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, the queen's cat was roaming here and there.
The bird came late in the evening, so September's worry about its safety from the hawks and the hunters' traps. So he thought.
One day this bird went far away and did not return, did not come on time. And it went to its in-laws' place and did not return. And she was worried. And when it returned, she kept it in the cage. Did it happen? ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ था क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir,
अच्छा, what happened after she kept the bird in cage?
the bird refused to eat and sing.
Okay. It stopped eating
Yes,
and
sir.
stopped singing. Neither the bird was happy nor was the princess. But the other sisters were happy. Now, finally, what happened? Finally, what happened? Did she release the bird? Sairam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Did
sir.
she release
Yes,
the
sir.
bird finally?
Yes, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
What happened after she released the bird?
Sir, the bird promised to come back.
Yes, sir. But bird did not come.
Did the bird not come ever?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
She kept the window open for the bird.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the result of that?
Sir, the bird didn't came.
No, but for the bird, she was keeping window open. And what was the result of that?
So because she wanted that the bird came.
From the window, the fresh air, the fresh oxygen entered her room, came into her room,
Yes, sir.
and this made her very beautiful. Whereas the other sisters, they did not keep their windows open and did not get the fresh air from outside, and so they were not so beautiful. they were married to ordinary people, ordinary workers of their palace, whereas
Yes.
Princess September was married to another prince.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And that's how the story is over. Time is
Yes,
also
sir.
up. We are already 5 minutes late.
Then
I'm leaving the class now. I expect you all to leave first. If you have doubts, if you have questions, we shall discuss in the next class. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sairam. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Saira beta. Leave the
Sairaj,
class.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Saran sir, thank you, sir.